Today, we'll be trying out Maven Artistry's fan on a log technique. This method is the perfect way to practice fan wrapping.
For materials, you'll need a paper cup, tape, and scissors, and a strand of hair, which you'll see why later on.
So the first thing you want to do is cut off a strand of your hair. Next, tape one end of the hair to the cup. Stretch the hair over and tape the other side. As you can see, it's best to use a white cup if you have dark hair and a dark cup if you have light hair.
Now you're going to start making some volume fans. For a more detailed volume fan tutorial, watch our How to Make Volume Fans video.
Next, you're going to attach your fans to the hair. This method replicates the real texture of eyelashes, so it's good practice for proper placement, wrapping, and glue control. Now keep practicing until you get the hang of it.
And here's a close-up of the lashes. Before the glue dries, the base of the volume fan is completely flexible. The goal is to make the fan hug and wrap around the hair. To do this, you need to apply a little bit of pressure. Hold it in position. Wait until the glue cures, then slowly release. This will allow the best retention.
Now you can review your results. Check the side view to see if the bases are wrapped around the strand of hair. You can use a magnifying glass if you need to.